Welcome. And today let's understand network policy with current affairs. There is a namespace Asia. Inside there is India with the label interest is national. Outside there is Russia and there is USA to Trump. So Mr. Trump created a policy that India should not purchase from Russia. And this represented a network policy which is oil trade restriction in the Asia namespace. So let's see little diagrammatically. So here is Russia. Here is Russia. Name is space Northern Asia. Northern Asia. A label of name is here. A name is space label here. India. Interest is this is a label. Now Mr. Trump to create a network policy so that India could not get the oil from Russia. So Trump has created a policy. This is a India pod, Russia pod. There comes a network, but there is a here API version network policy metadata block Russian is this policy is whatever the pods available in the age that policy name is, and in that there is a pod selector. So pod selector have a label alliance ally of, but here the India has the label interest not. So this policy will not apply. India will able to trade. So let's do it in playground. So first create pod Russia. Let's create a pod. Namespace pod is create. Now create the network. We'll understand all things in detail. Just will dig very detail. Actually, one playlist is also there. I will just share in the comment box so you can follow that, and that is also very interesting. So no issue. Creating. But watch that too will be, and you should have one question in a C and one question important topic touching it is very detailed. So if wk apply was all in same directory. Let's create once again fresh. So all these things are created. Eight pods are the two. This is write the network policy as well. Here allowing ingress traffic to pod select control. I'll open a new tab. Yeah, this is India pod. This is Russia. See, in policy is also already applied, but you can able to connect because here it is applied on the Asia, but here the label is. So what we'll do, we'll change India pod to the label. Let's check whether it will work. Here we need to change this label, and one more thing here pod selector is given. So we'll discuss both of the case. So first here network policy, since here label we change, so we change label of here instead of rest wk delete k apply to k gate. Still it will not able to connect able to here IP is. Let's execute to the pod. Now can ping that 6. Now India is not able to connect to the Russia. Actually in this case all traffic is not only this traffic, all traffic. So Russia pod is in the Northern Asia policy in Asia. No matching pod found. Allowed destination is 0. So default denies key what it is not able to get to. Instead, if you can create any other pod, then also it will not able to this. So a particular need to avoid to the Russia, we need this namespace selector Northern, yeah, and here we have to put namespace. And if you remove cache, then it's and. So no issue. Just a simple. Now it will only log this Russia. So I know it is a little complex. So we'll do it again tutorial.